gwapo o batang-bata?
May problema.
Problema lang.
Nasaan yung iba?
Yung iba? Mamaya pa.
Ikaw muna. Taga saan ka, kuya?
Marasa po.
Talaga? Oo. Talagang malikod lang siya. Okay na ba kayo? Ay, giveaway po lahat. Lahat po ng hindi contestant, pag nasa, baba po muna kayo sa hagdan.
Si Kuya ito na nag-yosi.
Malahiyaan yung pong palaglag yan. Okay.
Sa hagdan, tabi-tabi kayo dyan.
Okay, ready na po?
Okay na?
Yung mga next na grupo, paki-ready na lang yung mga music nyo sa ating sound. Okay, ready. Yan, ang dami na. Okay! Ingat po sa stanza.
Beat the world. Let's rock.
She's done. California place with the down south. California place with the down south. California place with the down south. Baby girl, fresh like Dougie. Do you see something?
Let's rock.
Boys are back. Let's dance.
Put a little bit of gold in the page. Put a little bit of gold in the page. Put a little bit of gold in the page.
Hot that'll wake up.
Excuse me po. Hello, ako Banner! No one else comes close to you. No one makes me feel the way you do.
My chick bad, my chick good, my chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick bad, my chick good, my chick do stuff that your chick wish she could.
Nigga ask about me, nigga ask about me, nigga ask about me. I'm a hustler. You got saved, but we spinning the change. In fifth grade, I was hustling my Genesis games. I was dumb young, selling joint guns for my classmates. On the cash chase, moving in them circles.
I need to go, girl.
Oxygen, I'm that. Thunder in the chest, feel it when the thunder bass hit the speaker box. Strong shots for the crew. Handcuff him, no mouthpiece, got him glued. The flow out of reach, out of norm, go he cool. Are you not entertained? I'm shuffling.
Bakit? Nagsisimula siya sa letter U. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Oga, ba't wala yung beat? Kala ko tapos na. Di pare sample pa lang yun eh. Ganun ba? O sige, ulitin natin.
Yan, ulitin natin. Sample pa lang eh. Hip-hop ka ba o nag-hip-hop-hip-hopan?
Dito muna kayo. Hello.
Ayan.
Look, look. Ayan.
Guys, breathtaking talaga yung
Oo,
ginawa nila.
nakakaloka talaga.
Parang Skyflex lang yung nangyari dun sa
Ito naman talaga yung pinaka, basag.
Ayan.
Kakaloka, no? Ang galing, Happy Fiesta talaga, horseshoe. Ang galing-galing nyo talaga. Happy Fiesta.
I-adjust na lang natin.
Sino yon? Si Kuya, no? Ang laki-laki ba naman, no? Ayan.
Okay. Ayan, dahil sa nangyaring aksidenteng yan, ang mga susunod na magpa-perform po sa baba na po ng stage, gagawin
Oo.
ang kanilang dance
Kasi
showdown.
aside from devastating yung nangyayari, aksidente para sa
Pero
mga bata, di ba?
the group, very
Pero
nice,
they're very,
magaling.
very good.
Full of
Sobra.
energy. Parang wala kayong parang nag-cobra talaga kayo. Thank you, Cobra.
Oo nga, thank you Cobra Energy Drink. At thank you sa mga mukhang Cobra.
Okay, kakalasin na po siya. I-adjust lang po tayo.
Oo.
Iuuro lang natin siya. Okay, thank you very much. Beyond Hip Hop, hindi na namin kayo guguluhin at gagambalain.
Baka mamaya magbasag na naman.
Baka mapag-initan nyo pa kami. Thank you very
Congratulations,
much.
guys. Such a nice job.